Mamma mia, such an amazing sea taste, sea flavor. I love it. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, guys. I'm super happy today because today I'm gonna show you a super simple, as usual, recipe, super delicious, one of the most famous seafood starter antipasti in our tradition. Sauté di cozze vongole. It's a clams and mussel sauté. Super simple and easy and so delicious to eat with some toasted bread. I'm gonna show you the ingredients here. For the clams, guys, you just need to put 20 minutes in cold water with some salt, in the way all the sand's gonna go out. For the mussel, it's a little bit more complicated. We need to go under the cold water and clean the buffetto, the mustache, and maybe use even the sponge to clean all the shelf of the mussels. Here we are, guys, look how beautiful are these mussels. We heat up the pan, some olive oil, extra virgin. We chop our cloves of garlic. Our garlic is blonde enough, and it's time to add our clams first, and then our mussel. Mamma mia, ragazzi, such a nice smell. Now we let cook for, let's say, 3-4 minutes, the time that they open all their shelf and the way they're gonna be ready. In the meantime, we can roast our bread. We put on the pan, high fire, some olive oil on one side and then on the other side. In the meantime, our bread is toasting. We can chop some parsley, guys. Alright, let's check our bread is toasting. We turn upside down. This is our homemade bread. Check my recipe, guys. Super easy and super delicious. Wow, oh, so soft. This amazing seafood is coming up. You see? They are all opening. Now, guys, super high fire. It's time to add our wine. And look at this. Our bread is perfectly toasted. Alright, guys, now we cut our bread in four and we prepare in our pan. Now we add 2 tablespoons of our tomato sauce to give some color to our soup. After 5 minutes of cooking and our amazing sauté di cozze vongole is gonna be ready. And here we are, guys. Our sauté is ready to be prepared. Mamma mia, ragazzi, such an amazing smell and an amazing sauce. It's time to add some black pepper, some parsley. The best moment. This is one of the dishes I will never stop eating because it's so delicate, so light, and so delicious, guys. Mamma mia! Amazing! Look, all the bread with this amazing seafood sauce. Ragazzi, maybe the king of the Italian seafood appetizer. So fresh and so delicious. Few steps, few ingredients to make this seafood soup amazing. Follow it. Make it at home. If you have friends, if you have families, you make, hey, this is original sauté di cozze vongole Italian style. This is amazing, guys. You're gonna love it. Follow me next time, next recipe. Always with me, your chef Paolo. See you later.